everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today is SketchBox Day. SketchBox is a monthly art subscription box that sends premium art supplies, more for traditional art supplies like drawing, painting, sketching, things like that. And this is the January box, so let's see what's inside. Gorgeous, gorgeous artwork on the front, as always. This one's from Angela Link, and it tells you how to follow her and what to do if you want your art on the Sketchbox. And let's see, what's in this one. Okay, first up I see a paint palette, so we'll probably be painting this month. This is just a normal little paint palette, except it is it's got their name on it. Branded. It's branded. I couldn't think of the word. With their Sketchbox. We've got the little card. We will take a look at that in a minute. Oh, there's the artist of the month. That is so cool. Wow. Look. That just does things to your mind, doesn't it? How cool is that? This is Alex Garant. Tells you a little bit about them. Studied visual arts in Notre Dame de Foy College in Toronto. Or graduated in 2001 and ultimately settled down in Toronto. So that's pretty cool. Told you all about her work. She's been shown in several museums across the United States, represented by galleries in New York, LA, and Australia. Featured in publications such as High Fructose, Juxtapose, Beautiful Bazaar, and on multiple online platforms such as Vice and the Huffington Post. So that is pretty cool. Then we have some SketchBox Italia cold press, so we're definitely painting. For watercolor, gouache, ink, and acrylic. SketchBox always does these little smaller size papers. A lot of times they're specially purchased, or specially created, I should say, which this one is too, because it's got a SketchBox name on it, for this size box that they send out. And this one has, I don't know the brand, Magnini 1404. So I don't know much about that, but so that's cool. Then we have the paints. So this is actually acrylic. So this is acrylic ink in I can't say what color that is. Red light. I really should learn these paint names, but there you go. It looks like a pretty cool red. So we'll have fun with that. Then we've got, here we go. We have some calligraphy ink. This is from Speedball, and it is indigo blue. See, I can say some names. We've got one more in yellow. Primrose yellow, also by Speedball. So very pretty colors. Red, yellow, blue. Looks like that is that for the box. Yep. We have a cute little ink pot. That's a Sketchbox for our sticker this month. We have a pencil, a Caran d'Ache 3H. If you can see that. We have a Staedtler pigment, 0.1. So this is going to be a small guy. And a paintbrush. So the paintbrush is by it's a faux squirrel, so it's not actually squirrel hair, but it feels like it. It is 1827 Dagger by Dynasty. It's 3/8. Can you see that tip? That is wild. So let's see what the value is for these items according to the card. So we have the acrylic ink, $10.20. There is a little shaker ball in there, so you can use it. It's thin. It says you can use it with a dip pen, water brush, or refillable marker. So you could actually fill a water brush with this instead of water, so that's pretty cool. Very low viscosity, hyperpigmented. So, and then you've got the acrylic calligraphy inks, which we've gotten before. They're $2.56 each. This month we're showcasing Primrose Yellow and Indigo Blue to combine with the red. Then we have the Dynasty Dagger. Oh, and these were $2.56 each if I didn't say that already. And then we have the Dynasty Dagger brush for $11.70. This is great for thin and thick lines. This brush easily creates sharp and dynamic marks. The Caran d'Ache graffiti pencil is $3.65. It is a pencil. The Staedtler pigment liner. It looks like they have anywhere from 03 to 2. I got a 01. Light, fast, and waterproof calligraphy pen is great for line work and styles with variance in line weight. This one is $5.10. The Lovely Cotton Pad is a SketchBox exclusive. 10 sheets, 104-pound cold press papers, perfect for wet media. Thick and absorbent, this paper makes working with acrylic ink fast and easy. $13.48 for this little guy. And then the plastic palette. The SketchBox Signature plastic palette is $2. So there you have it. Let's do a quick swatch. Since you're supposed to swatch the papers that you're going to use, I do want to definitely swatch this. On this paper, although I always feel horrible swatching on these papers because there's only 10 sheets, but I'll use the other side. And here we go. So I took off the plastic and I shook it up, and whew, look at that red. I might as well get a little bit of each color now. See if I can do this without making a mess. And the answer is probably not, but we're gonna try. I just want a little drop. That's more than I wanted, but that's okay. I will do a painting. Obviously you can mix colors. There's no white or black. So if you're the type that does the SketchBox challenge, basically, you're supposed to use nothing other than what came in the box. This might be a challenge because there is no black, although we have a black pen. That may help, and there's no white. So you'll use the values the way that you mix them without being able to add black or white. And same with the painting. So there's the blue. They all look very, very vibrant. Very pretty colors. Especially in this SketchBox branded palette. Start with the yellow. And these are acrylic paints, so acrylic paints are thicker. You can usually can't see through acrylic paints, depending on the number of layers, of course, but you can still mix it with water if you need to thin it out. So keep that in mind. That also may help with the fact that we have no white. I may need to thin some stuff out. So there is the gorgeous yellow. It is very bright. I don't even know if you can see how bright it is on the video. Clean off my brush, and now here's the red. I do like this paintbrush, although there's a straggler of a faux squirrel hair hanging off of it that's driving me nuts. So here's the red. Again, very vibrant. Nothing wrong with that. The difference is with this and watercolor is when you put when it dries, you won't be able to re-wet it. I am actually taking a scissor and cutting this because it's driving me nuts. Sorry about that. And now the blue. So all three of these colors are very bright. It's ink, so very nice. I'm kind of inked out, but since Inktober, but it's nice to have these added to my collection. The thin line might be an issue for me because I don't have the softest touch. So there you have it. Let me know what you think about this box in the comments below. Have a great day.